Benefits and myths of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has surged in popularity, sparking curiosity and skepticism alike. This dietary approach, alternating between periods of eating and fasting, promises numerous health benefits. However, it's shrouded in myths and misconceptions. Let's unravel the truth, separating fact from fiction. Firstly, intermittent fasting is not just a weight loss fad. It's a lifestyle choice with profound health implications. Many believe it's synonymous with starvation, but that's a myth. In reality, it's about timing meals strategically, not depriving oneself. This method allows the body to utilize fat as a primary energy source, leading to weight loss. Another common misconception is that intermittent fasting leads to muscle loss. Contrary to this belief, fasting periods can actually enhance muscle synthesis. When done correctly, it preserves muscle mass while shedding fat. This is crucial for those aiming for a lean, toned physique. Intermittent fasting also improves metabolic health. It's not just about burning calories. It's about enhancing overall body function. Fasting periods encourage the body to regulate blood sugar levels more efficiently. This reduces the risk of metabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Moreover, intermittent fasting boosts brain health. Many assume it might cause brain fog or decrease cognitive function. However, fasting periods stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF. This protein plays a vital role in neuron growth and protection, enhancing cognitive functions. There's also a myth that intermittent fasting is universally beneficial. While it offers numerous advantages, it's not suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain health conditions or dietary needs should consult a healthcare professional before starting. Personalized advice ensures safety and effectiveness. Another benefit often overlooked is the improvement in digestive health. Intermittent fasting allows the digestive system to rest during fasting periods. This rest period can reduce inflammation and improve gut health, leading to better digestion and nutrient absorption. The myth that intermittent fasting is overly restrictive also needs addressing. It's actually quite flexible and can be tailored to individual lifestyles. There are various fasting schedules, such as 16/8 or 5-2, allowing people to choose what works best for them. Intermittent fasting also promotes longevity. It's not just a short-term solution for weight loss. Fasting triggers cellular repair processes like autophagy, where cells remove and recycle waste. This process is linked to increased lifespan and better overall health. However, the belief that intermittent fasting is a quick fix is misleading. It requires consistency and dedication. Results don't appear overnight. It's a gradual process that demands patience and perseverance. Additionally, intermittent fasting enhances heart health. It's not solely focused on weight and metabolism. Fasting improves various risk factors, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inflammatory markers. These benefits contribute to a healthier heart and reduced risk of heart disease. Contrary to the myth that intermittent fasting leads to eating disorders, it can actually promote a healthier relationship with food. It encourages mindfulness and conscious eating. This approach helps individuals recognize true hunger cues, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Intermittent fasting also supports a balanced lifestyle. It's not about extreme dieting or rigorous routines. It integrates seamlessly into daily life, promoting a balanced approach to eating and health. The myth that intermittent fasting is incompatible with exercise is also unfounded. In fact, fasting can enhance athletic performance. It optimizes energy utilization, improving endurance and strength during workouts. Lastly, intermittent fasting is more than a diet. It's a pathway to holistic well-being. It intertwines physical, mental, and emotional health, offering a comprehensive approach to wellness. In conclusion, intermittent fasting is a multifaceted dietary strategy with numerous benefits. It's important to approach it with an open mind and accurate information. By debunking common myths, we can appreciate its true potential. Remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but when done correctly, it can be a powerful tool for health and longevity.